Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Masks for the face from black dots. Black dots on the face look unpleasant and cause much concern to owners of oily skin, forced to spend a lot of energy, time and money on medicines, drugs and cosmetic procedures. From our article you will learn how to make useful natural face masks from black dots at home. Black dots, one of the most common types of acne, can appear on any part of the skin. The cause of their occurrence may be non-compliance with hygiene rules, fatty skin type, smoking, the use of improper cosmetic products, hereditary predisposition, etc. Black dots look untidy and unaesthetic and can ruin your life, because they appear most often in the most prominent parts of the face, on the nose and near the nose. However, fortunately, there are many natural ways of treating black spots, and one of them is home face masks. If you have fat and problem skin and you want to get rid of boring black dots as soon as possible, then try to make one of the natural home face masks, because this is really an effective, simple and inexpensive way to forget about acne forever. Pineapple mask. This wonderful mask will be your main weapon against black dots. Besides, it is suitable for all skin types. As you know, pineapple helps to moisturize the skin, reduce fat emissions and get rid of the black spots that often appear on the face. Particularly useful in this respect is the combination of pineapple and honey, because honey is known in folk medicine for its beneficial effect on the skin. It makes it soft, clean and radiant. Ingredients: ½ cup fresh pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons honey. Preparation: in a bowl or a cup mix pineapple juice with 2 tablespoons of honey and stir until a homogeneous mass is obtained. Before applying the mask, thoroughly cleanse the face and wipe it with a dry towel. Now put the mixture on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash off the mask with warm water and repeat this procedure at least 2 times a week. Mask of tomatoes and aloe. A mask based on tomatoes and aloe vera is an effective way to deal with black dots. In addition, it moisturizes the skin and acts as an exfoliant, which helps to cleanse the skin, remove fat from it and exfoliate the dead skin cells. Ingredients: 1 small ripe tomato, 4 tablespoons aloe vera juice, 1 tablespoon of large sea salt. Preparation: we put the tomato in a bowl and thoroughly knead it with a crib. Add the juice of aloe vera and mix thoroughly. When the mixture is ready, add 1 spoonful of sea salt to it, then again mix everything until a uniform mass is formed. Apply the resulting mask to your face and leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Mask of oatmeal and honey. Oats and honey are 2 of the best means for perfect skin, because they are known to help exfoliate dead cells, nourish and moisturize the skin, make it soft and silky to the touch. Mask, which will now be discussed, combines these 2 most useful components, but remember that, unlike other masks, this should be applied only directly to the skin area covered with black dots. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon oatmeal, ½ tablespoon of honey, 1 egg white. Preparation: all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed in a bowl or other container until a uniform mass is formed. We put on the skin areas of the face affected by acne, and leave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash off the mask with cool water and repeat the procedure 2-3 times a week. Mask of lemon and eggs. Egg white and lemon for good reason are considered one of the best natural remedies against black spots, because they remove dead cells and effectively cleanse the skin of all small contaminants that can cause acne. When you prepare this mask, keep in mind that it should be applied to the face only in the evenings before going to bed, because the sunlight on the skin after removing the mask can adversely affect the health of the skin. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Preparation: first, we clean the eggs, Separate the proteins and carefully beat them in a bowl until a homogeneous mass is obtained. After that, add lemon juice to the bowl and mix everything thoroughly. Before applying the mask, be sure to cleanse your face with lotion or other cleanser and wipe your face with a tissue or dry towel so that nothing hinders the action of the mask. On the cleansed face skin, we apply the prepared mask and leave for 15-20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. We repeat the procedure at least 2 times a week. After washing off the mask, we also advise you to apply a little moisturizing lotion or face cream to your skin. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.